Hi guys, so sorry I didn't vlog this weekend. I know I suck really bad at that. But it was a pretty good weekend. I did get quite a bit of stuff, like not for me, but for like Madison. And I want to show you guys a cute Starbucks cup I got that I'm gonna like DIY myself and like put a decal over, like around it. I got that cute Starbucks cup. What else? Not much has been happening. It's Sunday night. Right now I'm cooking dinner. We're having pork chops with rice and potatoes sliced up with a little bit of cheese on it. And then Josh is making a cake, so we're gonna have cake and cupcakes for dessert, which I'm super excited for. Yeah. I'm sad I have to go back to work tomorrow, but it's okay. It'll be a good time. But yeah, I just wanted to catch you guys up on what I did this weekend. I hung out with my friend literally all day yesterday. Like from 12 to like 10 o'clock at night. I've never hung out with somebody that long. But yeah, we had a good time. We just went and shopping and stuff. I got a new comforter, but I do want to show you guys the stuff I got Madison. I'm super excited to show you guys. But yeah, that has been my life. I'm gonna go upstairs and show you guys real quick what I got Maddie. Got this from the Target dollar spot, which I'm super excited to use. Then Maddie got a new pair of Vans. Josh and I had these same color ones, so we want to like all match. So I finally got her a pair. These are $30, and I'm super excited for these guys. So I found this super cute romper at what is it called? Target. Oh, it's so cute. So all the other Targets that lived by me didn't ever have her size. And I went to this one that was in Littleton and they had her size, luckily. It was $18. And it's by Oshkosh. So super cute. Look at that. I'm so excited. And then it ties in the back. And it like shows the back open. And then I'm super excited about this one. So I got her this cute little dress. I think this would be perfect for like summer, but also for Easter. So I got her this dress. And it's by M&E, and it has the cute little stripes on it. I love it. Oh yeah, and then we got this new comforter. It has cute little buttons on it. I love it, guys. It's so cute. Hi guys, good morning. I still feel like poop. Hi guys, it's Saturday. I look like a pile of crap, but that's okay. I just got done cleaning all upstairs. I didn't film that because I honestly, like, me personally, I don't like filming clean with me's, and I don't like posting them. Like, I personally don't like them. I think they're extremely boring. Like, I already clean enough as it is. Why do I want to watch a YouTube video on cleaning? Like, sorry, but no, not me. It's not made for me. But yeah, so God, my throat is hurting so much, guys. It's like annoying. I'm gonna clean my beauty room real quick, so I'll leave the camera on so you guys could see what I like, my specific cleaning for my beauty room. It's a mess. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm like embarrassed, honestly. So let's clean. Okay guys, I cleaned it up a tad bit. That's trash I have to throw away. But I straightened up all that area. My Louis Vuitton and my purses go right there because I need to buy like a coat rack for my purses or like a shelf or something. But yeah, I cleaned up everything and I have to vacuum. But yeah, so thankfully, sadly this corner will always look messy only because it's all my craft stuff. and I'm running out of storage, but I got it all cleaned. Let me know if you guys want me to do an updated beauty room tour. I will if you guys want me to. Hi guys, so Maddie and I are gonna be on our way. We're gonna be going to Marshall's because I have some stuff to return. Then I want to go to Ulta to see if I could find any makeup that I like.
Hi guys, yeah.
She's so cute. And then we're gonna go grocery shopping. Then I gotta put gas in, come home and relax, make some dinner. I'm gonna, it's already 1 o'clock, so by the time I get home, it's probably gonna be like 2. No, like 2:33. So I have to do all that stuff. Then I want to come home, make my Starbucks tumbler cup that I've been dying to do. I also want to stop by Starbucks. I think on my way back home, I want to stop by Starbucks to get like a cold foam, a salted caramel cold foam drink. Then I want to do a grocery haul for you guys and stuff like that. I'm so tired and I feel sick still. Been sick for like 3 days. I'm starting barely to feel a little bit better, but not that much. Alright guys, since I'm like horrible at doing grocery shopping hauls, because I already put some stuff away, but I'll show you like everything else that I have left out. So I got pork chops, hamburger meat, chicken thighs, 2 things of chicken breast, strawberries, and Madison like ate half of them already. Coconut milk, chocolate chip cookies, mini corn dogs like for snacks, red potatoes, spinach, asparagus, 2 bags of the fresh veggies, grapes, and zucchini, spaghetti sauce, garlic sauce, these wet nap hand wipes. So I like using these for after Madison is done eating so I can wipe her hands and stuff and her high chair down. Chili lemon chips, 2 things of napkins, and then I also got my Starbucks house blend coffee because I need this. And then a case of water. As you can see, we've already been through 2 cases this week. So got another case. Then I got 2 things of this Gold Peak lemonade tea. This is my absolute favorite. Caramel macchiato for me, just for like iced coffees. 2 gallons of milk. Sorry, it's all gross in here, guys. And then a crap ton of juice back there. I go to the store all the time for juice, like I'm talking every other day, and I'm just over it, so I just got a bunch at the same time. Now, I have to try to make all those meats over there fit in here, so wish me luck. Hi guys, sorry I didn't end yesterday's vlog. I just suck at vlogging now. But anyways, I did my makeup. I'm wearing my fake eyelashes. These are the Vegas Nay. I'll just show you what the packaging looks like. I saved it so I could buy another pair, but these ones. So yeah. Anyways, it's Sunday. I don't really have much to do. I did everything yesterday, but I do want to show you my Starbucks cup I made. So I made this cutie. If you guys would be interested in purchasing one, it will be on my Etsy shop. So yeah, I could personalize your name for you. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like after the final product. And I love it. It's so pretty. So I'm going to be taking, this is going to be my work Starbucks cup. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Josh and I are going to go grab something to eat. And then we're going to go to Dick's Sporting Goods and pick up some Yetis for Cancun. But it's like 2 degrees outside, so I'm like kind of nervous about going out there. But yeah, so we're going to go grab some lunch, pick up some Yetis. And then I wasn't able to go return my Tiffany necklace, but that's okay. I'm just going to set it in the mail, like it's just too much work. But yeah, so I just wanted to update you guys on what we're doing. I'm gonna go get dressed, I'm gonna get Madison dressed, and then I'll see you guys right after that. Hi guys, so we just got back from going to eat, and then we went to Petco. We bought some fish, but I guess we're supposed to set up our fish tank, wait 2 weeks, and then buy the fish, because I guess it needs to like settle or something. So we had to return the fish, and now we got the fish tank that's getting set up that Josh is setting up right now. But I also stopped by Ulta, and I wanted to show you guys the stuff I got. I'm super excited. I had to put it in a Target bag because Madison was like wanting my Ulta bag so bad, so I just gave her the bag and took my stuff out of there. So I got this Ardell Dark Adhesive eyelash glue. And I got this Wet n Wild highlighter. My sister Jackie has it, and this stuff is awesome. Like, and it was only $6. So I got this highlighter. And then I got the IT Cosmetics CC foundation full coverage cream or whatever, and it has SPF. And I got this. I'm super excited. I've been wanting to try this for so long. I've been wanting to try this stuff for so long, so I did like a little swatch on my hand, and this one was in the color light, and it matched my skin exactly, so I just got a color up from that, just so you know I could give myself some color, especially with summer and stuff coming up. So yeah, I got this one right here, and I'm super excited to use it. Yeah, I've been hearing, like, I had to like convince myself to get it, because I always see like a lot of people have them, but I was just like, I don't know, it's a little pricey. And then I seen it and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get it, like, screw it. And then one last thing, which is brand new, like it just came out, I'm assuming. I got the NARS Climax, what do you call it? Mascara. So in total for all of this, I spent $80. I know, I'm kind of like sad to admit that, but I did. Ugh, I'm like, I need to stop. So yeah, this is the packaging on the NARS mascara. Let's see, how much was it? This was $24. Holy shit. That's a lot of money. But it's supposed to be like clump free. Ooh, look at that brush, guys. Oh my god. So I got my Too Faced one last time, and that one has already ran out, like, and I barely even used it, like it dried up. So I'm not sure how I really feel about this, but I got this one. I'm super excited.